Well, welcome to McGavock AP Physics 1. This is Mr. Lightman. I wanted to make this video to help you understand your summer assignment. You should have gotten a handout from one of your teachers before school is over, but if you're new or if you weren't able to get that, everything should be on this video and on our website. So our summer assignment has two parts, summer reading, which I'm hoping will be fun, and math practice, which is to make sure we're all on the same page when we get started in August. For the summer reading, I have selected a book by a webcomic guy who's pretty cool and has a degree in physics. It's called What If? And the subtitle is Serious Scientific Answers to Absurd Hypothetical Questions. It's a really fun book where this physicist slash comic artist answers questions such as what would happen if you throw a baseball at 80% the speed of light? Or what would happen if the Earth just stopped rotating, yet the atmosphere continued as it was before? And it's just some fun reading that will hopefully get you start thinking like a physicist. On the summer reading assignment sheet, I've listed what I'm looking for. I want you to read the first two chapters, and then I want you to pick 8 more chapters that you find interesting. And for each chapter that you read, tell me 2 things, interesting facts or ideas from that chapter. This can be handwritten or you can type it up, totally up to you. And then the second part of the assignment is I want you to come up with your own what-if question. And after you write out your what-if question, go through this list right here of 10 kind of main topics we're going to be covering in AP Physics 1, and see which ones you think might apply to the answer of your question. For part 2, the math practice. We're going to be using Khan Academy. Probably a lot of you already have Khan Academy account set up. If so, great. If not, the first thing in your summer assignment kind of walks you through how to set up your account. You're going to create an account, and then you need to add me as your coach using the class code KD8SAV. So let's walk through how that works. Khanacademy.org, or if you're like me, just Google search everything, Khan Academy, and log in. Create an account here, or if you already have your account, sign in. There's where you create a new account, but I'm good to go, so sign in. And then the first thing you need to do is add me as a coach. You can go to your profile and coaches and add a coach. We are KD8SAV. Let's join the class. There we go. I'm one of your coaches. Then you need to go to your list from the summer assignment. I'll try to copy and paste this in the YouTube video comments or description. And you'll see all the different competencies I want you to practice. I know it's a lot of work, but the more work you put in right now on the front end, the easier everything's going to be once we get started. And then you'll be able to focus on the physics, which is our goal. Most of the assignments are from algebra. You can see all of these are from algebra. And a couple assignments, 3 assignments here from geometry. So under algebra, you see where to go first. You'll go to linear equations, and then the first thing I want you to do is all the competencies associated with equations for beginners. This one's going to be pretty quick. So to get there, you're going to go to Subjects, Math, and Algebra 1. You'll probably have something weird pop up here. You can X out of that, and then go to View Full List of Algebra 1 content. Now we can find what we're looking for. So under Algebra 1, under linear equations, we've got these 4 things. So let's find it. Linear equations. And you can see there's a lot more than 4 subjects here. But you just need to look at these 4. For instance, equations for beginners. That's going to be right here. And everything with the play next to it is going to be a video. Everything with a star next to it is something you need to complete. If you want to skip to the star first, thinking you feel good about it, a lot of these you're going to be able to get through them just fine. So feel free to do that. But if you're stuck on any of these, go back and watch these videos. They'll help you get caught up. So here's my first one. I've already completed this one. But it'll say something like this up here. Get the first 3 correct, or 5 in a row. Alright, let's solve for x. Okay, multiply 7 to both sides, and x is 63. Check my answer. I'm good. Now I can go to the next question. And if I get the first 3, I'm good to go. You'll get the hang of it. Going back here, once I'm done with that, I'm not done with this. Oops. Once I'm done with this one, I'm not done with equations for beginners yet. You'll see there's 3 stars under it. So complete all 3 stars, and then you can check that one off your list. So you're going to go through and complete all these. Feel free to email me if you're having any problems. My email address is listed on your sheet right here. Hopefully you haven't waited till the last second to start this. Hopefully you're watching it earlier in the summer. But yeah, give yourself some time to get through all this. Something you might want to do as you're going, you can, at the top, check on your progress. Go to your profile. You can see right here, progress. If you've done other courses, you might have to change this here, but we are on Algebra 1 and/or Geometry. So if I go to Algebra 1, under linear equations, you can see right there those 3 different stars that I had to do to complete it. Alright, thanks for waiting through this long video, and good luck on the summer reading, good luck on the math practice. Make sure you bring your summer reading little report with you to class on that first day. I believe that would be August 2nd. And then the math practice, make sure you've got that completed before school starts back. That way we will all be on the same page and ready to unravel some of the mysteries of our physical world. Enjoy your summer. I hope you have a great one, and I look forward to meeting you all in August.